Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can make a page inside your website in the Framer Website Designer, your homepage. So let us dive into this. Head over to the website editor here on Framer. For example, if you don't know how to get there, navigate to your dashboard. Here on Framer, select the workspace in the top left. Then click into all projects here and select the given website project from that list. After the website editor has finished loading, what you want to do is navigate to the Pages tab on the left hand side. Then navigate through these pages. For example, that's the default home page. As you can see, it's blank or empty. And any other pages you have inserted here by clicking into this button will be listed below. So right click into the given page, choose Set Home Page, and as you can see, your old home page has been renamed and moved to the lower position here, and you can make it the home page back again. And now the previous page has been named old home page here. So guys, that's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.